What if I told you that the future of smartphones is here? A device so powerful, so advanced, that it makes everything you've seen before look obsolete. Meet the iPhone 18 Pro Max, a phone that's about to change the way you interact with technology forever. But don't take my word for it. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why the iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just a phone, but a revolution in your pocket. First, let's talk about design. Apple has always been a trendsetter when it comes to design, and with the iPhone 18 Pro Max, they've outdone themselves. Sleek, elegant, and futuristic, this phone looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The glass back is smooth, the stainless steel frame is polished to perfection, and the front display is practically edge to edge. But it's not just about looks. The durability of this device is next level. With ceramic shield technology, this phone is tougher than ever, with a level of scratch and drop resistance that ensures it'll stay pristine, even after months of use. Now, let's talk about the display. The iPhone 18 Pro Max features an OLED Super Retina XDR display that's larger, brighter, and more immersive than ever before. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or simply browsing the web, this display will leave you in awe. The colors are more vivid, the blacks are deeper, and the contrast is sharper. Plus, with promotion technology, the 120 Hz refresh rate makes everything you do feel smooth as silk. Scrolling, gaming, swiping, it all feels fluid, responsive, and immediate. But it's not just the screen that's impressive, it's the performance under the hood. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is powered by the A20 Bionic chip, Apple's most powerful processor yet. This chip makes everything you do on your phone feel instant. Whether you're running demanding apps, playing graphically intense games, or multitasking between a dozen apps, the A20 Bionic ensures there's no lag. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's designed to last for years. You won't just use this phone, you'll experience it. One of the standout features of the iPhone 18 Pro Max is its camera system. Apple's camera technology has always been a major selling point, but with the iPhone 18 Pro Max, they've taken it to a whole new level. The triple camera system includes a 108MP wide lens, a 64MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens, ensuring you'll get stunning shots no matter the situation. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or snapping an impromptu portrait, the detail, color, and depth you'll get from these cameras are nothing short of extraordinary. And that's not all. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is packed with advanced computational photography features. Night mode has been enhanced, allowing you to capture clear, vibrant photos even in the lowest light conditions. Deep Fusion takes your photos to the next level, balancing texture and detail while reducing noise. And with Smart HDR5, every shot is automatically optimized for the best possible exposure, contrast, and color balance. The iPhone 18 Pro Max doesn't just take photos, it captures moments in ways that were previously impossible with a smartphone. For video enthusiasts, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is a game changer. With 8K video recording capabilities, you can shoot stunning, cinematic footage right from your phone. Whether you're vlogging, creating short films, or just recording family memories, the video quality is unparalleled. Plus, with